Hi my beauties and welcome back to my channel. I can clearly remember one of you requesting me to go ahead and do a Vidhya balan style sari draping tutorial. I went ahead and did my research, and I've normally found her wearing sari in this manner only, like in a open pallu style. Normally she wears her saris like that only. So I have came up with this video for you all, where I am going to show you guys how does she really goes ahead and drapes that sari. I hope you all will enjoy this video, and if you people do, then please don't forget to give this video a massive thumbs up. Also don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you people haven't already. Do share the video with those whom you think this video could help. Let's just get started. You want to start off with the basic drape. You want to go ahead and drape the sari all around your waist for a single circle. Then you're going to go ahead and find the fancy end of the sari. Now the sari that I am using is really heavy, so I had faced some issues. You can go ahead with slightly lighter saris as well. You can drape this style with silk or cotton as well. So just going ahead and finding out the heavy end of the sari, pleating it roughly and just placing it onto the shoulder, because we have to further come back to this place once again to work, so don't need to pin it right away. Now I'm gonna stretch the sari or that area which comes near the navel, and I'm gonna go ahead and pin it right over there into the petticoat. Now this is something which will help you accentuate your waist, so just go ahead and definitely apply a safety pin. This would really give the sari a distinct sort of a look. Now coming a little bit closer, I'm going to show you guys. I'm just going ahead and pleating the sari. Now this sari is really heavy at the base, so it's really very easy to pleat it, because at the bottom it just manages itself on its own. I don't have to work a lot, but if you're working with a lighter sari, then you have to just go ahead, bend down and just correct the pleats. So just holding the pleats into the other hand and going ahead and grabbing the pleats where I want to tuck them into the stomach. I'm just going to grab all the pleats, arrange them, and then just tuck them in right underneath the navel. Now if you go ahead and shift this area to any other part of your stomach, the sari wouldn't look good. So go ahead and tuck right underneath your navel. Now what you want to do is you want to go ahead towards your pallu. You're going to place it onto the shoulder, and then go ahead with the bottom pallu and just roughly pleat it, like one or two pleats would be more than enough for you. Straighten up the border of the sari from all the edges, like literally from all the edges. It should be facing the front, and because my pallu is really heavy, I didn't felt like applying a pin, but you can. This is the finished look, you guys. I hope you all have enjoyed it. See you guys in my next video. Till then, bye.